The Weber, the Traeger, or Oklahoma Joe? Perhaps the Dyna-Glo or the Char-Broil? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top smokers available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 smokers. The fifth product on this list is the Char-Broil Digital Electric Smoker. With dimensions of 16.5 inches in length, 18.1 inches in width, and 32.5 inches in height, this smoker offers an impressive size that can handle a generous capacity of food all at once. Weighing in at 50.2 pounds, it's built to handle your grilling and broiling needs with ease. The spacious interior, equipped with 4 adjustable and removable racks, provides flexibility for different food sizes, allowing you to smoke multiple dishes simultaneously. Gone are the days of constantly opening the smoker to check on your food. Thanks to its innovative glass door design, you can easily monitor the cooking process without any hassle. But that's not all. This smoker is built with insulated walls, ensuring excellent heat retention and a stable cooking temperature throughout. Say goodbye to heat loss. The insulated construction, combined with the large stainless steel locking latch, creates a smoking tight seal that minimizes heat loss and maximizes energy efficiency. And if you're looking to add that signature smoky flavor to your dishes, you'll appreciate the included wood chip box. Controlling this smoker is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly digital control panel. With just a push of a button, you can effortlessly set and monitor cooking temperatures with precision. Adjusting the temperature and time settings has never been easier. Also, cleaning up after a delicious meal is a breeze with this smoker. It features a removable rack and grease tray that collects drippings and excess fats during the cooking process, ensuring a quick and hassle-free cleanup. Discover the joy of perfectly smoked meals with this outstanding smoker. Its pros are: it has a large cooking capacity, it is energy efficient, and it has an advanced heating element that ensures even heat distribution throughout the chamber. However, its cons are: it requires you to refill the wooden box every hour, and the temperature settings can be inaccurate. The Char-Broil Digital Electric Smoker is the perfect choice for both seasoned smokers and beginners alike, and will help them create mouth-watering smoked dishes. Up next in 4th place is the Dyna-Glo Signature Series. This device sets itself apart with its unique construction, weighing in at 124.3 pounds and boasting dimensions of 45.5 inches in length, 24.9 inches in width, and 58.8 inches in height. It's noticeably larger than its counterpart. Constructed with heavy-duty steel, the Dyna-Glo excels in heat retention for consistent cooking temperatures and ensures long-lasting durability. Unlike the Char-Broil, this unit relies on charcoal and wood to infuse your food with flavor. It even includes a removable offset charcoal grate, allowing you to create indirect heat for that sought-after slow and smoky cooking style. Equipped with 5 chrome-plated cooking racks and pre-installed hooks, this smoker offers ample and versatile space to smoke a variety of meats, vegetables, and more. You have the flexibility to adjust the racks based on the size of the food, accommodating larger cuts of meat or taller items with ease. The Dyna-Glo also features a built-in temperature gauge that enables you to monitor the internal temperature of the cooking chamber without opening the door. Additionally, the temperature gauge provides a smoke zone, indicating the ideal temperatures for achieving the perfect amount of smoky flavor infusion. Cleaning is a breeze as well, with the ability to easily remove the offset charcoal grate for ash disposal and the racks for thorough washing. All in all, its exceptional construction, charcoal and wood cooking capability, ample cooking space, and convenient temperature monitoring make it a standout choice for all your smoking needs. Its pros are: the heavy-duty steel construction enhances the durability, it has oversized steel wheels for mobility before and after use, and it maintains a consistent temperature. However, it's really tricky to remove the racks as they need to be rotated almost vertically to get them out. The Dyna-Glo Signature Series smoker is recommended for those who are looking for a heavy-duty smoker with a large capacity, ideal for handling a large number of foods for a yard party or the like. Still haven't found a smoker that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Pro Drum. Experience exceptional heat distribution and smoke circulation with the unique drum design of the Oklahoma Joe. Its cylindrical shape and strategic air vents create a convection effect, ensuring even heat and smoke distribution around your food. Constructed with heavy-duty steel, this smoker is built to withstand frequent use and deliver long-lasting performance. As a charcoal-fueled smoker, it comes equipped with an adjustable charcoal basket that can hold up to 17 pounds of charcoal, providing up to 15 hours of continuous heat. You have complete control over the cooking temperature thanks to the easily adjustable charcoal basket. Similar to other models, it features a built-in temperature gauge allowing you to monitor the internal temperature without lifting the lid. What sets this smoker apart are the included accessories that enhance cooking flexibility, such as a cooking grate, meat hangers, meat hooks, and a heat diffuser. Transportation is a breeze with the sturdy handles and wheels that come with the smoker. Additionally, cleanup is quick and effortless thanks to the removable ash pan. The innovative design, heavy-duty construction, precise temperature control, and convenient accessories make this unit an exceptional choice for any barbecue enthusiast. Its pros are: the heavy-duty construction enhances its durability, the large cooking space and adjustable charcoal basket offer more flexibility, and it has a large, easy-to-read lid-mounted thermometer. However, getting a lower temperature once it gets hot is difficult. The large and flexible cooking capacity plus multiple air vents make the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Pro Drum Smoker suitable for those looking for a convenient smoker that will elevate their outdoor cooking experience. The second product on this list is the Traeger Grills Pro Series. Experience ultimate control with the state-of-the-art digitally controlled Traeger Pro Series smoker. With a simple push of a button, you can effortlessly set and maintain precise cooking temperatures. Like the Char-Broil unit, this smoker utilizes wood pellets to infuse your dish with the irresistible wood-fired flavor. What sets the Traeger apart is its connectivity. By leveraging wireless technology, you can connect the grill to your smartphone, giving you the ability to control and monitor the smoker from anywhere. Moreover, it is equipped with the innovative D2 direct drive system, allowing it to ignite quickly. Also, thanks to TurboTemp technology, the Traeger heats up rapidly and maintains temperatures with exceptional accuracy. Say goodbye to heat fluctuations and experience quicker recovery times when you need to open the lid. Keeping the Traeger Pro Series smoker in top condition is a breeze with its convenient cleaning features. The hopper cleanout system ensures easy removal of unused pellets, providing a fresher start for your next cooking session. So don't wait. Unlock the full potential of wood-fired flavor and enjoy a seamless smoking experience with this remarkable smoker. Its pros are: the wireless technology makes it very convenient to use, it is versatile for grilling, smoking, baking, roasting, braising, and barbecue, and it heats up fast and reaches the set temperature quickly. However, unlike some models, this unit does not have a super smoke option, so you may miss out on a more intense flavor. The advanced and convenient features of the Traeger Grills Pro Series are suitable for those who want a versatile smoker that is easy to control remotely. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top smoker is the Weber SmokeFire EX4. Just like the previous product, this smoker utilizes wood pellets as its fuel source. It also boasts a spacious hopper that can hold an entire 20 pounds of pellets, ensuring uninterrupted smoking sessions. Prepare to be amazed by Weber's unique flavorizer bars. These remarkable bars evenly distribute heat and vaporizing drippings, infusing your food with mouth-watering smoky flavors. With its ample cooking area and multiple racks, you can effortlessly cater to gatherings of any size and indulge in a variety of dishes simultaneously. Plus, the porcelain coating of the smoker protects it from rust and corrosion and also guarantees consistent heat distribution for impeccable cooking results. This sturdy construction not only enhances the longevity of the smoker, but also adds a touch of sophistication to your outdoor cooking area. The Weber even takes control to the next level with its user-friendly digital control system and easy-to-read LCD. Set your desired temperature with precision and enjoy consistent heat throughout the entire cooking process. Plus, the included meat probes allow you to monitor the internal temperature of your dishes effortlessly. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Similar to the Traeger, it introduces smart grilling technology. With the Weber Connect app, you can monitor and control your smoker right from your smartphone. Embrace the convenience and flexibility of remote access to your smoker for ultimate control. Using the Weber smoker is a breeze and cleanup is effortless too. Say goodbye to your arduous maintenance as this smoker is designed for a hassle-free cleanup. allowing you to focus on what truly matters, creating exceptional smoky masterpieces. When it comes to versatility, advanced technology, and ease of use, the Weber SmokeFire EX4 stands out as the ultimate choice for discerning barbecue enthusiasts. Its pros are: it has a very large cooking area and hopper, it is very durable for long-term use, the Weber porcelain enamel finish helps prevent rusting and cracking while ensuring a more efficient heat spread, and the app makes it convenient to operate remotely. However, the temperature probes don't seem to be the most reliable. The innovative features and smart grilling technology of Weber SmokeFire EX4 smoker make it a suitable option for those who want to elevate their barbecue game and experiment with versatile cooking styles. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.